to my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review Lady Raga for July month. So this is the bag which I've got. Let's just quickly unbox it and see what all it has. But before that, let me tell you the price. Price for a monthly subscription is 555 and they have longer subscriptions as well. But wait, don't worry, I have a coupon code. The coupon code is Ritu. If you use this code, you will get flat 50 rupees off on your 1 month and on your 3-month subscriptions. So don't forget to use this code. The code is Ritu. Don't worry, I will be mentioning the buying link plus the coupon code in the description box, which is valid on 1 month and 3-month subscription. Now let's quickly start the unboxing and see what all it has. So the first thing is this beautiful bag. The silver is the color. The price for this one is not really mentioned here, but it's really pretty and silver color bag, which I already have. So this is my second silver bag. And if I have to tell you the quality of Lady Raga bags are always nice. So even the quality of this bag is again very good. So happy with this one. Now let's start with the product. First of all, let me show you the info card. So this is the info card. It says, "Hey gorgeous," and then it has 4 products plus 1 add-on product is there. So let's start with the first one. The first one is by Magic Dust. So Magic Dust as a brand, it's quite nice. All the products are organic, handmade and natural, and I personally like natural and organic, of course, handmade products. So yes, I really like this brand. I've used their some product. They are quite nice. This one is the red wine scrub. It says red wine face polish and scrub. As I've told you, organic, handmade and natural. Now let me just read out the ingredient list for you. It has 100% pure red wine shea butter, cocoa butter, scrubbing salt, grapeseed oil, aloe vera, distilled water, wheat extract. So ingredient list is quite nice. I like it. The price for this one is 550 rupees. The manufacture of November 2018, best before September 2020. So yes, looks nice. Happy with this one. Now moving on to the next one. The second product is by Makeup Revolution, and this is a lip liner. The color is bold pink and you can just see the color is so pretty. I love it. The price for this one is 199 rupees. I'm not really opening it right now. The color is super nice. I think I will be using it, but I'm not really sure about it. So that's the reason I'm not really opening it. 199, very pretty color. I love it. And of course the brand Makeup Revolution, it's quite a decent brand. I like it. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is by Ahara. This is an activated charcoal soap. The price for this one is 225 rupees and I have already used it. It's a really nice soap. So this is how it looks. The price is 225, I think I've told you, yeah. And it's a handmade soap, charcoal soap of course. Let me just read out the ingredient list for you. It has coconut oil, almond oil, glycerin, aloe vera, olive oil, soap base, charcoal powder, perfume and purified water. This is how it looks. So yes, happy with this one. Moving on to the next one. The next one is a beautiful jewelry. This is a beautiful bracelet. Let me just open it and show you. So this is how it looks. It has this cut design. I think it's visible on the camera. Let me just wear it and show you. And it's quite heavy. I mean, not really heavy, but the quality looks really nice. That way heavy. So this is how it looks. The design, I think it's visible. 325, I guess. For this, no, 220 is the price for this one. And it's a really pretty. I like it. Now, moving on to the next one. And the last one, you can say the add-on product. So for add-on, I have this. This is by Nature's One, and this is the deodorizing and lightening scrub. This will exfoliate and improve your underarm skin tone for all skin types. So this is a paraben-free, cruelty-free product, SLS-free product. The price for this one is 325 rupees for 50 gram, manufacture of November 2018. So looks nice. Let me just read out the ingredient list for you. It has Fuller's Earth activated charcoal, sodium bicarbonate, sweet almond oil, essential oil of lemongrass, and lots of love. The last ingredient is really nice. I like it. So this is the add-on product and this is how it looks, just powder base. So this is the product. So last product in the box. And yeah, that's all. So I've showed you all the product, and if you like it, go ahead and place your order, and don't forget to use my code, which is Ritu, and you will get flat 50 rupees off. So that's all about Lady Raga. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye-bye.